So how can you upload your file into a shared Google Drive link using the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So naturally, the Google Drive folder can be shared with other people. But the way that it kind of works is that you have to manage access, or the other person has to manage the access. Because if the folder is shared over the link, it depends what anyone with a link can do. Most likely, or by default, is just the viewer, in which case you will not have the ability to add more stuff to that folder. So a lot of times it happens that you simply do not have the option because the folder is not set up the way that you would accept other people to upload photos there. So when you manage access, or when the other person manages the access, they need to select the editor, right? So all people with a link will have the ability to just edit and upload the thing to the drive folder. But still, you might need to go to the link, click on it, and I would recommend you to go through the Safari website, even though it gives you the option to open it up through the Google Drive, right? So it depends, right? If you can open it through the Google Drive app, you will have the ability to click the plus button. So you can basically just open it through the Safari and then click on the Google Drive open icon at the top. And inside of the app, you'll have the option to upload it there. So that would work, right? Or you might also see that within the Safari right away, we can tap on the options next to the website right there and request desktop website. And this gives us the ability to see the desktop view, which will most definitely have the plus button to upload it, right? So these options are working on the iPhone right now. So even if you don't have the Google Drive app, you can use the web method where, again, you open the link, request a desktop website where you'll see the upload button, right? It's going to be kind of smaller, but it will get the job done. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it and make it work on your device as well. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.